Nintendo finally released the reveal for the Switch 2. We're gonna check that out right now. Also, I said when I reached 100 subscribers, I would celebrate by doing a giveaway for either a Backbone controller or a DualSense controller. So I'll show you guys that later on in the video, but let's check out this Nintendo Switch trailer. I think somebody in Nintendo was like, hey guys, it's out there, so we gotta do something now. We gotta put a video out real quick. Switch 1. So it looks like an 8-inch screen to me, at least 8.5 inch. So that's nice because the Portal's 8-inch screen is like perfect for handheld gaming, I think. Hopefully it's an OLED, or if they come out with the OLED one at some point. They got the USB-C port and then another USB-C port on the top. This is cool because now you can add another accessory to the top of the Switch and plug it in at the same time. So I wonder if they'll come out with like a camera or some other device where, I don't know, maybe you'll be able to take pictures of yourself playing games. I mean, like, say you want to put your face in the game or something like that, or if you want to stream. And then we got the wider kickstand. I feel like you give this to your kid, they're probably gonna break that thing. Bigger controllers, man. This is what I need, because man, if you ever play Mario Kart with your friends and you guys gotta share the controllers, like this thing, look at these buttons. These are tiny buttons to be playing Mario Kart and hitting them corners, drifting and, you know, doing jumps and stuff like that. It's gonna be nice having these bigger buttons too on the side. Like, that's gonna be great for people that have to share these controllers with someone else. And then, oh yeah, the other controller, it has a little mystery button here, whatever that's gonna be. Guess we'll find out. I like how they did the all black thing though, but hopefully they come out with different color controllers, because it's nice having your Switch look different than everybody else's. And now we got the controllers as a mouse. That makes me think, like, I wonder if they're gonna come out with a new Mario Paint or something like that, or games like 1-2 Switch that use the controller functions in all sorts of different ways. Like, maybe it'll be for something like that, or I can see Nintendo doing like maybe some puzzles or something on Zelda that uses that feature, or maybe some FPS games. But this is nice right here. The magnetic attachments on the controller, like, that's gonna be so much easier to just snap your controller on and then take them off. Then, like, man, I don't know how many times somehow, you know, you get these things jammed in here, or you put them on like the wrong side or something somehow. Probably won't have to deal with that anymore. Switch 2, it's the new logo. And then the back of this thing looks like these buttons. These are probably used to take the controllers off. Then we got Mario Kart, 24-player Mario Kart. That's gonna be insane. I can't wait for this game. This game looks, man, I'm really hyped for this. Oh, that's the dock right there. So this looks really close to, this looks just like the leaks that they came out. Like, I don't really see much of a difference, except this one has the logo on it. And then that's like pretty much the same as the Nintendo Switch 1 controller adapter, but 2025. Backwards compatibility, that's awesome, because you're gonna have so many games to play on this thing. Like, you're gonna be able to play Nintendo games, SNES games, N64 games. If they still have all those features with the Nintendo Online, you're gonna be able to play all those games, plus Switch 1 games and Switch 2 games. That screen is like thin. If that's gonna be nice to like be able to carry around with the big screen like that, and it's thin. that's gonna be like really good for portability and stuff. So April 2nd, we're not gonna get anything until April 2nd. So that's 2.5 months away before we get another announcement, or unless they come out with leaks or something, you know. And then the experience. So this thing, I looked it up, and some of these events are out like June, and that makes me think, unless they come out with this thing first in the US, we're probably not going to get this until after June or sometime in July, because there's other countries out there that they still haven't even come out with dates yet for when they want to do the experience for them. And you know, they're not going to do that if the console's already out. It's going to be before the console comes out. So we either get the Switch to before these other countries, or we're going to wait until they do all these experience shows or whatever, these events, and then they'll probably release the Switch to the public. So that's, I don't know, that's kind of a long time. But yeah, that's it. I'm really hyped about this, and I really can't wait till we get more specs, more games, more footage. I want to see more of Mario Kart, and if they come out with like a new Mario game, or I don't know if they'll show a Zelda game or maybe a Metroid game or something like that. But this thing's gonna be nice. It's gonna be probably gonna be hard to get, I feel like. And I'm seeing people saying it's gonna be around maybe $400 or so, which, I mean, that's fine with me, whatever. But yeah, that's the Switch reveal. What do you guys think? You guys gonna cop? All right, we're gonna do the giveaway right now. I'm gonna pick someone to give away the Backbone controller or a DualSense controller. So we got, let's see. This is the 30th anniversary edition DualSense controller. So this is for reaching 100 subs, which on YouTube it's not much, but to me, when I first posted the video about the PlayStation Portal versus Backbone versus Remote Play, you know, when you first post a video, it says no views, and I'm like, dang, how long is it gonna say that? Like, I didn't think anybody was gonna watch my videos, you know what I mean? I thought I was just gonna be lost in YouTube land. But so I said, like, yay, hey, if I ever reach 100 subs, you know, I'll celebrate by giving something away. I want to give away, you know, maybe just like a Backbone controller or something like that. And then I ended up getting one of these from my bro, and he didn't really want one. So I'm gonna let you guys choose whoever wins which one you want. So I got this spin the wheel thing here, and I got your guys' names from either the comment section. Like, the only way I can see you guys exist is either if you left a comment, or if you subscribe to my channel and you have it on like a public thing where I can see that you subscribe. Because if you have it on private, I can't see your name. It just says that I have another subscriber, but there's no name. So that's how I picked these names. I went through all the comments and then all the subscribers that I can see, and we're gonna spin the wheel and then see who gets it. So we're gonna spin this right now. So let's get it. You guys can watch this video and see if your name's on here. You know what I mean? So let's see. SourStrawberrys, you are the winner. So I'm gonna give you, today's the 16th. So I'm gonna give you 1 week to hit me up on my email. It's I'll put it on the screen, but it's shotchisty24@gmail.com. Hit me up within 7 days, and I'll give you instructions on how to claim this thing. I'll probably give you like a code or a secret, like a keyword or something like that, that you're gonna have to comment in. Just do a comment in this video or something like that, and that way I know that it's you and the right person is getting the prize. You know what I mean? But I appreciate you subscribing or watching or whatever, and thank you guys. I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace.